Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Evelina Zukra, and my student number is 71940. So today I will explain about language acquisition. The timeline is dividing of language acquisition, theories and approaches, example of the theory, stage or process, and the last is conclusion. The first is, what is language acquisition? Language acquisition, according to Maxam, is a process of language acquisition carried out by someone unconsciously, implicitly, and informally. And Joey Giorgio states that language acquisition is the process of language acquisition carried out by children naturally when they learn their mother tongue. And theories and approaches. The first is behaviorist theory, proposed that language is acquired through imitation, reinforcement, and conditioning. And the next is nativist theory, suggests that humans are biologically predisposed to acquire language and that certain structure in the brain facilitates this process. Noam Chomsky, their theory is of universal grammar, falls under this category. And the next is interactionist theory, combines elements of both behaviorist and nativist theory, emphasizing the role of social interaction and cognitive process in language development. The next is cognitive theory, focused on the cognitive process involved in language acquisition, such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. And the last is sociocultural theory, emphasize the role of cultural and social factor in language acquisition, proposing that language development is influenced by interaction with caregiver and exposure to language within a cultural context. And the example of the theory, the first is behaviorist theory. Baby bubbles, mama sounds, the caregiver smile and say, yes, that's right, that's mama. This positive reinforcement strengthens as association between the sound mama and the caregiver. So when you hear baby, first word is mama or daddy or papa or something like that, is because the caregiver give the example about what should they say to the babies. And the next is native story. A child might hear a dog say, the dog chases the cat and the cat is chased by the dog. Even without explicit grammar lessons, the LED helps them understand the concept of subject-verb agreement and how to form passive voice sentence. And the next is interactionist theory. A parent points at a picture in a book and asks their child, what's that big, furry animal? This prompts the child to think, use their developing language skill to identify the animal, like beer. The next is cognitive theory. A child who understands basic action like eat and play might use the present tense for everything at first. They hear go part instead of went part when trying to assimilate this new sentence into their existing schema of present tense action. Over time, with exposure to past tense usage, they accommodate their schema and start using the past tense correctly. Ate, played, went, and the last is sociocultural theory. A parent is playing with their child and points to a red ball. They ask, what color is this ball? This prompts the child to think about the concept of color and use developing language to answer. Red. Through this social interaction and scaffolding, the child internalizes the vocabulary and concept related to colors. And the stage or process of acquiring a child's first language. Therefore, the stage of language acquisition discussed in this paper are the linguistic stage which consists of several stages. Namely, the first is babbling stage, like or ma or pa, and the second is one word stage, holoplastic, like the baby finally said one word like papa, mama, or daddy, mommy. Two word stage like I eat, or Mama, look, or something like that. And telegraphic speech text like normally kids or baby can say like uh, this is a this is a ball, or there is a red ball. Mechanism of language acquisition. The first is imitation. Maybe they imitate their parents or their uh, yeah, like their parents for first, and conditioning and social cognition. And the conclusion is language is a communication tool that humans acquire from birth. A child mastery of a language begins with the acquisition of the first language, which is often called the mother tongue. Language acquisition is a very long process from the time a child does not know a language until they are fluent in it. Language acquisition is a process that takes place in a child's brain when he or she acquires a first language or mother tongue. The first language acquisition stage is divided into four stages, namely the competency and performance acquisition stage, the semantic acquisition stage, the syntax acquisition stage, and the last is the phonology acquisition stage. And thank you.